Hello friends, once again welcome back to the YouTube channel of Agri Exam. In this session also we will discuss 50 important agricultural MCQs. So let's start with the first question. So the first agricultural census in India it was done in. The answer is option number C, that is 1970. So the first agricultural census in India it was done in the year 1970, and it was carried out by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare as a part of the World Census of Agriculture. And this agricultural census it is conducted in India after every 5 years, and the main data collected is number and size of operational land holding, land use and irrigation patterns. Next question, question number second. So the first irrigation commission in India, it was formed in the year. The correct answer is option number A, that is 1901. And this commission was formed under the leadership of Lord Curzon. This first irrigation commission has played a decisive role in shaping the irrigation policy during the early 20th century and has laid down the foundation for the scientific water management in India. Next question. So, Pusa Ankur is the variety of. The answer is option number B, that is brinjal. The characteristic features of Pusa Ankur includes they are slightly oval in shape, dark purple and glossy in appearance. And this Pusa Ankur, which is the variety of brinjal, has the average yield of 35 tons per hectare, and the first picking of this brinjal variety should be done after every 35 to 40 days after transplanting. Next question number 4. The credit for establishing the Agricultural Research Service goes to. The correct answer is option number B, that is MS Swaminathan. Next question. So the Kisan TV channel it was launched by Doordarshan in. The correct answer is option number D, that is 2015. So this Kisan TV channel it was launched by Doordarshan on 26th of May 2015 by PM Narendra Modi, and the main focus of this Kisan TV channel was on agricultural and rural development. Next question. So the National Agricultural Crop Insurance Scheme it was implemented from. The answer is option number C, that is 1999. So this National Agricultural Crop Insurance Scheme it was implemented from the year 1999. This scheme is also known as Rashtriya Krishi Bima Yojana, implemented from the Rabi season of 1999, and this scheme has later succeeded by the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, which was started from the year 2016. Next question. So Indian Meteorological Department it was established in. The correct answer is option number D, that is 1875, and the present headquarter of IMD is in New Delhi. Next question. So the training and visit system it was started and funded by. The correct answer is option number C, that the training and visit system it was started by Benor in the year 1975, and it was sponsored and funded by the World Bank. So this training and visit agricultural extension system it was started by Daniel Benor, and it was funded and sponsored by World Bank, and this was first implemented in the pilot areas like Rajasthan Canal and Chambal areas in the year 1974. Let's move towards next question. So the Alfonso variety of mango it is mostly grown in the state of. The correct answer is option number D, that is Maharashtra. So this Alfonso variety of mango which is locally known as Hapus, it is mostly grown in Maharashtra, specifically in the Konkan region districts of Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Raigad and Palghar. Next question number 10. So biofertilizers are. The answer is they are the culture of microorganism, or they can be defined as preparations containing living cells or latent cells of efficient strains of microorganisms. Let's move towards next question. So the seed plot technique in potato it was developed by. The correct answer is option number B, that is Dr. Pushkar Nath. And this seed plot technique in potato, it was developed by Dr. Pushkar Nath in 1950s and 1960s while he was studying at the Central Potato Research Institute. Next question. So this Central Temperate Horticulture Research Institute, it is situated at, the correct answer is option number B, that is Srinagar. And this institute, they has their two regional stations at Mukteshwar, which is in Uttarakhand, and Dihang, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. And this institute has the vision to improve the livelihood and economic security of farmers in the temperate regions through research, development, and adoption of sustainable farming technologies. Next question. So, the Destructive Insect and Pest Act, that is DIPA, it was launched or it was passed in which year? The answer is 1914. So, this DIPA, it was passed in February 1914 to prevent the introduction and transport of any insect, fungus, or pest which may be destructive to crops. Next question. So the mustard crop, which is planted at the spacing of 50 into 20 centimeter, will have how many plants per hectare? And here the correct answer is option number B, that is 1 lakh plants per hectare. Next question. So which of the following is an example of 1:1 type clay minerals? And the answer is option number option number A, that is kaolinite. And the structure of 1:1 mineral, it is formed by one tetrahedral sheet which is bounded to one octahedral sheet. And the properties of this 1:1 type clay mineral includes non-expanding structure with low shrink swell capacity and low cation exchange capacity. Next question. So in artificial insemination, we are harvesting the semen. So the correct answer will be option number C. Next, so the number of segments present in insect's head are, the answer is option number C, that is 6. So an insect head, they consist of 6 fused embryonic segments that are preantennary, antennary, intercalary, mandibular, maxillary and labial. Next question. So in India, the BT cotton was released for commercial cultivation in which year? The answer is 2002. So in India, the BT cotton, it was released for commercial cultivation on 26th of March 2002 by the Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Let's move towards next question. So the type of mouth parts present in honey bee are, the correct answer will be option number B, that is chewing and lapping type of mouth parts are present in honeybee. So the honeybee, they are having the chewing and lapping type of mouth parts which is featuring the versatile structures like the mandibles and a hairy proboscis to process both solid pollen or wax and liquid nectar. Next 170th question. So which scientist has studied the method of communication in honeybee? And here the correct answer is option number A, that is Carl von Frisch. So this scientist has centered his investigation on the sensory perceptions of honeybee, and he was one of the first to translate the meaning of waggle dance of honeybee. Next question number 171. So the yellow color of egg, it is due to, the correct answer is option number D, it is due to the presence of xanthophyll. And egg yolk, it is nothing but the nutrient bearing portion of the egg, and the primary function of the egg yolk is to supply food for the development of embryo. Let's move towards next question. What is the body temperature of hen? And here the correct answer is 107 degree Fahrenheit is the body temperature of hen. Next question. The fat content of double toned milk is, the fat content of double toned milk is 1.5%, whereas the fat content of toned milk is 3%. Next question. So, who has established the essentiality of iron for plants in the year 1844? And here the correct answer is option number D. So, this scientist has demonstrated that if we will treat the roots and leaves of plant with iron solution, they could cure chlorosis. Chlorosis is nothing but the yellowing of leaves which is caused by the lack of chlorophyll. Next question. So, what is the equivalent acidity of anhydrous ammonia is? So here the correct answer is option number B, that is 148. So the equivalent acidity of anhydrous ammonia is 148. Let's move towards next question. That is, the desi plow makes the furrow of which shape? And here the answer is option number A, that is V shape. So this desi plow, they cuts and splits the soil, pushing it to both the sides without turning or inverting it completely. Next question. So earthworm cast, they are rich in nutrients and the answer is option number A, that is bacteria. So earthworm casts, they are rich in nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and they are also rich in some of the essential micronutrients like calcium, magnesium and sulfur. Next question. So the rain bearing clouds are, and here the correct answer is option number B, that is nimbostratus. They are the rain bearing clouds. So rain bearing clouds, they are designated by the terms that is nimbus, which means rain in Latin, and this there are two primary types of rain bearing clouds, that is nimbostratus and cumulonimbus. Next question. So the fertile agricultural soil, they contain the maximum population of, and here also the option number C is correct, that is bacteria. So the fertile agricultural soil, they contain the maximum population of bacteria. Next question number 180. So the Indian Grain Storage Research and Training Institute, it was established in, and here the correct answer is option number B, that is 1958. So the Indian Grain Storage Research and Training Institute, it was established in the year 1958 in Uttar Pradesh, and later it was renamed as Indian Grain Storage Institute, and in the year 1996 it was again renamed as Indian Grain Storage Management and Research Institute. Next question, that is 181. Which one of the following fungicide, they are systematic in nature? And here the correct answer is carbendazim. Option number B is the correct answer. So systematic fungicides, they are the chemicals which is absorbed into the plant's vascular system to travel internally, so that it provides both preventive as well as the curative control against the fungal infections. So the examples, they can include hexaconazole and carbendazim. Next 182 question, that Pusa Rasraj, it is the variety of, and here the correct answer is option number B, that is hybrid of musk melon. So Pusa Rasraj is a F1 hybrid variety of musk melon, and it is developed by crossing the female parent, that is M3, and the male parent, that is Durgapura Madhu. So Pusa Rasraj, it is the hybrid of musk melon. Option number B is the correct. Next 183 question. So the Indore method of composting, it was proposed by, the correct answer is option number C, that is Albert Howard. And this Indore method of composting, it is an aerobic process which requires regular turning of compost pile to break down the material quickly, and the compost will be ready to use within 3 to 4 months. Next question. Which hormone is related to coconut milk? And here the correct answer is option number C, that is cytokinin. Cytokinin, it is the hormone which is related to the coconut milk, and it is often called as the coconut milk factor because cytokinin strongly promotes the cell division. Next question. So Helianthus annuus, it is the botanical name of, as you all know, it is the botanical name of sunflower, Helianthus annuus. Next question 186. So the idea of super rice, it was given by, the answer is option number B, that is Kush. So the idea of super rice, it was given by the scientist named Kush. He is also known as the father of super rice, and while working in the Indian Rice Research Institute, he has developed this semi-dwarf rice varieties like IR36. Next question. The seed plot technique in potato, it was proposed by, This question we have discussed earlier itself, and here the correct answer will be Dr. Pushkar Nath. Next question. So, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Here the correct answer will be white revolution. That is, white revolution is related to milk, and the father of this white revolution will be Vergis Kurian. So, yellow revolution is related to oilseed production, blue revolution with fish, and green revolution is related to high yielding varieties. So, option number B is the correct answer here. Next question, that is 189. So, Kheti Journal, it is published by, and here the answer is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. So, Kheti, it is a popular monthly Hindi agricultural magazine which is published by ICR since 1984. Next question 190. So, manpower is considered equal to how much horsepower? So, here the correct answer is 0.1. So, 0.1 manpower, it is considered equal to 1 horsepower. Now, we will discuss here with the next question. Next 191 question. So, the button mushroom belongs to the genus of, the correct answer is option number B, that is Agaricus. Button mushroom, they belongs to the genus of Agaricus. Next question 192, that is the fruit of papaya, it is botanically named as. Here the correct answer will be option number C, that is berry. The fruit of apple, it is known as pome. Okay. Next question 193. So montmorillonite, alite and kaolinite, they are. Of course, they are the clay minerals. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question. So which country is leading in barley production? The correct answer will be option number D, that is Russia. So Russia is yielding approximately 19.4 to 23.4 million metric tons of barley annually. Next question. So the National Research Center on Camel, it is located in. The correct answer is option number B, that is Bikaner. So the National Research Center on Camel, it is located in Bikaner, Rajasthan. Next, AICRP on utilization of animal energy is situated at. The correct answer will be option number C, that is Bhopal, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Next question. So the first artificial hybrid, it was made by. The options, the correct answer is option number A, that is Thomas Fairchild, and he has developed the first clone. Next question. So double cross was suggested by. The correct answer is option number C, Johns. So the scientist named Johns, he has suggested the method of double cross. Next question. So the germplasm theory, it was proposed by. The correct answer will be Weismann. So the germplasm theory, it was proposed by Weismann. And here we are with the last question of this 50 days MCQ marathon series. The question is, Aries vitella is the paste of. This is the paste of cotton. So for more such useful videos, stay connected to Agri Exam, and I will be coming up with the next videos which will also consist of important MCQs, 50 important MCQs. And if you are liking these sessions, please like, subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.